everyone, welcome back to Journal Outfit. I'm Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to talk about that in my previous videos you have seen that I've started an event of a giveaway in which I have told you that I'm going to unlock only one person's iPhone. It is a giveaway because I'm going to spin it, and I told you all the details in the videos. The links are in down description box. If you haven't watched them, first watch this video and then go to the link and check that out, what I'm talking about in the videos. So actually I have started this giveaway, and it was so much fun going through that, and I just want to give you a news that I have completed it successfully. I am so glad that you guys supported me in this event, and you keep supporting me. So actually what happened is this happened very successfully, incredibly done with the support of my audience. So we done it. I'm so glad about that. We have done it, number one, with a full honesty and on merit. Number two, I'm so glad that I have done this in full free. And the last thing that I'm going to tell you, that we did it very quickly and rapidly. So the first part of the giveaway is completely successfully done, and I'm so happy about it, and I hope that all of my audience are very happy about it. So I have announced the result finally in my previous video that there is a guy named Hassan Chaudhary. Mr. Hassan Chaudhary has won this giveaway, and he unlocked his iPhone very successfully. I'm so happy for him that he has unlocked his iPhone. And how he has unlocked his iPhone, today I'm going to tell you about something about the remote bypass unlock. So actually the remote bypass unlock, the service and all that, there's a guy who was helping me throughout this. His name is Mr. Shiv Patel, who helped me out throughout all this method. It was very amazing collaboration working with him. It was incredibly done, and he helped me out throughout all the methods and all that. He helped me completely, and I'm so happy. He's so reliable. He is very much trustworthy. So he helped me out throughout throughout all this process and progress. So we completely done it. And how he did it, so actually what he did, he used a service of a remote bypass unlock. Wherever you are in the world, you can unlock your iPhone along with Mr. Shiv Patel. He is going to unlock your iPhone, so it is never risky talking to him or following him or contacting with him. So he actually helped me out with this, and he did it with the remote bypass unlock. So wherever are you in the world, you don't have to bring your iPhone or something. You can unlock your iPhone online, and so simply he has done that. And now we're going to listen to him that what he is going to talk about this remote bypass. So let's listen to it.
What's up guys, my name is Shiv, and in this video I'm going to giving you quick information about my service. So first of all, thank you so much Zainab for the wonderful collaboration with me. And let's talk about the service. So I'm going to providing you a remote bypass service for the Apple ID activation lock or any kind of iCloud lock you have. So basically you have iPhone, and any kind of lock you have, network lock or you have to do FMI off or passcode lock, any kind of lock is there, maybe Apple ID lock or activation. So you may contact me, and I will provide you at the cheapest rate in the market. So you will get the details in the description, so you may check out the details as well. And your service is remote bypass service. So if you are sitting in anywhere in the world, you will get this service, so there will be no issue. I will do it remotely, so you don't have to send me your device and anything like that. And the best part about this service is that it is the cheapest service in the market. So you may definitely try once, and you will also get the remote bypass and the demo video of my service, so you can also see that video as well. And yeah, that's it about this quick video, and I will see you in the next one.
So as we have heard from Mr. Shiv Patel, he has told us about the remote bypass unlock. I think that it was all audible and understandable for you guys. So as I told you, he is a very trustworthy and he is very reliable person. He is an Indian, and he also has a YouTube channel. The link for his YouTube channel is in down description box. You can check that out. So actually I would recommend and I would suggest my audience who want to unlock their iPhones with the paid services, go along with Mr. Shiv Patel. Contact to him. He is very trustworthy, reliable. I'm saying it again and again to make you sure that he is a very trustworthy guy. You can go with him, and he is doing it on the very cheap cost according to the market prices. So he is doing it on the very cheap cost. It is very affordable for you, so you can go with him and unlock your iPhone with the paid services. Now the next thing I need to tell you about is that I told you there was a guy who won this giveaway. His name is Hassan Chaudhary. So Mr. Hassan Chaudhary has won is this giveaway. But before that, I would tell you something very important, very mesmerizing thing, that as I told you that I've completed this first part of the giveaway very successfully. If you keep supporting me, I am going to give away I'm going to start the second part of the giveaway. I'm going to give you the next event in which we are going to unlock 2 iPhones along with the SIM. And if you keep me supporting more after than that, we are going to unlock 5 iPhones along with the SIMs. So I hope that you guys going to like it. So now, as I told you that we are going to go with Hassan Chaudhary. He couldn't give his own video to me, but he has given the screen recording that how he unlocked it. So we are going to watch it. Now let's go.
The dial number is powered off.